Looking for the best RC helicopters on Amazon? Here are the top 3 best-selling and highly rated models that offer incredible performance, stability, and fun. Let's find the perfect RC helicopter for you. Number 1. RC Helicopter X11C. The RC Helicopter X11C is a fantastic remote-control toy designed for kids aged 8 and above, offering an exciting and easy-to-control flying experience. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing a total 30 minutes of flight time for extended fun. The 7+1 LED light modes add a cool visual effect, making night flying more enjoyable. With altitude hold technology, it ensures smooth hovering, perfect for beginners. The 2.4 GHz remote control provides a stable, interference-free connection with great responsiveness. This lightweight yet durable helicopter is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Measuring 11.1 by 5.63 by 3.07 inches and weighing just 1.44 ounces, it is easy to carry and store. A perfect gift for boys and girls, making every flight an adventure. Number 2. Sky Rover Vigilante RC Helicopter. The Sky Rover Vigilante RC Helicopter is a fun and easy-to-control remote control toy, perfect for kids aged 8 to 17 years. With its 2.4 GHz remote control system, it offers a stable and interference-free flying experience for both indoor and outdoor use. The LED lights add an exciting touch, making night flights more enjoyable. Designed with durable materials, this helicopter ensures long-lasting play. It measures 9.84 by 2.36 by 4.33 inches and weighs 13 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to handle. Whether for beginners or experienced flyers, the Sky Rover Vigilante provides a smooth and steady flight. A perfect gift for boys who love adventure and RC toys. Get ready for thrilling aerial fun with this high-performance helicopter. Number 3. DEERC DE28 RC Helicopter. The DEERC DE28 RC Helicopter is a beginner-friendly remote control aircraft designed for kids and hobbyists. It features a 3.5-channel control system with altitude hold and gyro stabilization, ensuring a smooth and stable flight. With one-key takeoff landing, it's easy to operate, making it perfect for first-time pilots. The 2.4 GHz remote control provides a strong signal for interference-free indoor flying. It comes with 2 interchangeable shells for customization and LED lights for exciting night flights. Measuring 7.87 by 6.3 by 2.87 inches and weighing 10.5 ounces, it is lightweight yet durable. The package includes 2 lithium-ion batteries for extended flight time. A great gift for kids who love RC toys, bringing endless flying fun.